If you need to send multiple data files at once, whether to share with a colleague or to help our support team troubleshoot an issue in your model, the easiest way is to send a zipped copy of your data folder. Here's how to do it. First, find the location of your data folder by going to Database, then Connections. Here you'll see the path to your data directory. Right-click on it and select Copy to copy the path. Open File Explorer, paste the path into the address bar, and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the contents of your data folder. From there, navigate one folder up. This is typically the FluidFlow 3 folder. Right-click on the data folder and select Compress to Zip file. A zipped copy will appear in the same location shortly after. You can keep the default file name or rename it, for example, including today's date, to make it easier to identify later. And that's how you create and send a zipped copy of your data folder. Once your zip file is ready, you can send it to whoever needs it, a colleague, a teammate, or our support team.